Dun dun dun. Day 17 of the cleanup. There's not too much left over. Let's tackle this beast. Okie doke, we're losing the daylight, so we're done for now. There's hardly anything left. We got all those totes put in. A couple more things way in the back. Filled up this section here. These are all props, they're fake. Look, it's literally plastic. Don't ban me. We have a lot of things in here and only a few more to go. But this over here looks pretty good, other than this one skeleton here. And let's see, foam body. That box is empty, that box is empty. As usual, I'm sure many of you have done the same. We lost the key to the jumping spiders, so they can't go back in the boxes. Yay. But anyhow, another look at these amazing tombstones that we got. However, because of their lightness, I'm going to put them up against the house over there so they don't get blown over and wrecked. Well, something's agitating the dogs over there, so we just have to deal with the Borkin. But I think we got this fairly well covered. Luckily, there's light out here, or else you wouldn't be able to see much because it's dark. So here is where the tombstones will stay for right now. And same thing with my lovely, lovely lights. They need some TLC, as you can see. Most of them have fallen off. I mean, hot glue doesn't really stay on rusted metal very well. So I figured they're, I don't know, almost 10 years old now. So I think that they need a little TLC and a redo. Although, I'll have to leave them out in the sun, I guess, because it took a while for the hot glue to get that disgusting yellow color. So fantastic. Alrighty. This day's done. Oh, and by the way, this stuff right here is just the wood, so this won't be going inside the shed. I'll have to figure something else out with it. And you, military Heidi Tarp. Oh gosh, you're such a pain. I'll have to con someone into helping me to fold it up. I don't prefer it being wadded up. We're done. See yas. Actually, next time I see ya, it'll be for either tutorial or a live stream where I'm making something or anything like that. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.